Marketing always drops to the bottom of the list when business gets busy. So instead of telling you to post more, I'll walk you through 3 digital marketing tasks you can complete this month. Open your last 3 blog posts and add 1 to 2 links to actual service or product pages. If you wrote a blog about roofing, link to your roofing service page. If you wrote about skincare, link to your facial treatments page. Why? Because it helps visitors understand what you actually do, and it helps search engines connect the dots. Now, open your Google Business profile and upload 5 new photos: your building, staff, workspace. Finally, post 3 simple pieces of content to a social profile this month. Introduce your staff, share your story, talk about how long you've been in business. That's it. People don't just support businesses, they support people. None of this is too complicated. None of this requires hiring someone. These are small, practical improvements that stack up month after month. Marketing doesn't have to feel overwhelming, it just has to be consistent. If you're trying to grow your business without wasting money on random marketing tactics, then you should subscribe. We post simple digital marketing strategies you can actually implement. And if you decide you do want help building a real long-term strategy, there's a link below to book a call.